How to turn off dial pad sound and vibration in Samsung mobile. So when you type any number in your dial pad in Samsung mobile, uh, you hear the sound when you type any number and also vibration. So if you want to turn this sound and also vibration off, what you need to do, go to settings, and here you will find sounds and vibration settings. So just open it. In this you will find all the sound and vibration related settings of your Samsung mobile. So scroll down and open system sound vibration control settings, and here you will see all the system related sound and vibration settings. So here uh, you can see dialing keypad. uh, for sound and vibration you can turn it off really easily. And now when you type any number, you will hear no sound or any kind of vibration when you type any number in dial pad.